Hello student, most of the student are weak in English. There are very kinds of problems for the Vivagosi for English speaking. At this moment they cannot practice for English speaking. So you will practice more and more English speaking. So you are helpful for the IELTS course. You are dealing with the uh, businessmen, and you are helping of the business parties of the foreign countries. Overall, see, your speaking English is very important at this moment. You are current students, so strongly fluently English speaking. Your help of the your guide of Bangladeshi visitor of foreign country. You are a perfect performer of the Bhagavagosi for English speaking. So you practice more and more. You daily you practice one sentence. So you are a perfect speaker in your position. So you practice more and more. At first you are completed your pronunciation and word meaning is very important. So you have the correction of the word meaning. You are a perfect English speaker in Bangladesh. So you are a perfect essay speaker. Most of the students are weak in English. They cannot practice more and more English speaking. They are very weak and frightened for others English speaking. They cannot practice of word meaning. They cannot speaking of fluently English listening and writing. So you are a perfect English speaker in this moment. Practice more and more. So you are a perfect English speaker. Such as example, you are visited any kinds of place, some as field, agriculture field, such as natural beauty of Bangladesh. You discuss about small and teeny in a sentence. You practice more and more. You firstly you are practice of the domestic and other sided topics. You discuss about English speaking. Such example, you discuss about your family members, your brother, father's mother, and cousins. You speak English, so you are a perfect speaker in Bangladesh. Thank you very much. See you again later. Thank you.